Should you update your articles on regular basis? This is the most important question that is on every blogger's mind, especially on the minds of new bloggers. Now, what do the pro bloggers will tell you? Every pro blogger will tell you that you must update your blog posts regularly by adding new content, and after updating, submit the URLs in Google Search Console for indexing. The pro bloggers say that it is a regular practice that they are following and they are achieving success. Friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to share my experience on this subject. See, I share my experience and not something that I don't have experience. For the sake of getting views, I create something rubbish and upload into my channel. No, I don't do that. I share what I experienced. So, without wasting time, let's jump into the main topic. I was doing my best to follow the pro bloggers' tips on that we should update our old posts on regular basis. First, I installed some plugin which was automatically updating all the posts on daily basis on all my sites. After a few days, I removed that plugin because it was not making any sense by only changing articles date, and also I felt that there was no change at all with the help of plugin, as there was no change in articles ranking or in the traffic. After removing the plugin, I thought that all my articles that have ranked on the first page should be updated on regular basis manually and not with the help of the plugin. So I started adding little by little some additional information and submitted on Google Search Console. I thought that after adding some more information into my already ranked articles and that were giving good traffic, my ranking will become better and the traffic will also grow more. After a few days, I realized that the traffic on these updated articles was decreasing. Still, I thought that since I have updated more valuable content, the articles will jump a little higher in the ranking and the traffic will also grow. My friends, now listen what happened. I was in for surprise. The articles that were giving near about 100 visitors per day decreased little by little on daily basis. After a few days, there was even less traffic, and suddenly I saw that the articles, instead of jumping higher, it came down from the top ranking, and then suddenly the article just disappeared from Google. Friends, did this happen to you guys also, or it was just for me? Share your thoughts below. Another important point I want to share with you guys before I wind up the short video. These deranked articles were not new. They were old articles which were ranking on first page since 2-3 years, just under the top ranked site Wikipedia. So you can imagine how good these articles were. This happened to my two sites, and to this day I am trying to figure out what went wrong. I was updating my top ranked articles because I wanted them to stay on top forever, but it backfired me. So, do you think that we should update our top ranked articles on regular basis? I have no answer. If you guys like to share your experience, then please share. But now onwards, I will not update my articles and submit for indexing again. I will only change the article's date and leave them where they are. I think I will install the articles updating plugin again, and that is for just to change the date. I think that is better. This is my most horrible experience that I am sharing with you guys. No one else on this YouTube platform has shared such valuable information. I have not come across to any videos mentioning this problem. Well, I am not saying that all will have the same problem. For some it can be vice versa. Some bloggers are doing better when they update their articles, and in fact, Google says that you must maintain regular updating of articles. Friends, I wanted to share what I have gone through. In your case, it might be different. I thought sharing is increasing awareness. See you next time again. Take care. Keep doing blogging. Bye bye.